Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be creating a simple WhatsApp clone in SwiftUI. I will use this image as a reference. So let's get started by creating the navigation area. I'm gonna delete this and create a navigation stack. And I will use list as I did in my previous two videos of creating a Instagram and X clone in SwiftUI. And I'm gonna say chats to the navigation title, and let's get started by creating the toolbar. Now I have to create a toolbar item of placement of top bar leading. It's gonna be three dots. Let's say button. Action is gonna be empty. Image is gonna be not this. Ellipsis. It's three dots. Okay. Now I'm gonna say buttons style of bordered, and button border shape is going to be circle. Okay, it looks good. Now let me give the image a frame. Sorry. Width is going to be something around 16 and height 16. Let's check it out. Okay, I think it looks good. I'm going to give this a foreground style of primary to make it white. Yes. Now I'm going to copy this and create another toolbar item, but this is going to be a group because it has two elements inside of it. Let's say placement dot top bar trailing. Okay, I'm gonna paste this and delete this and type camera dot fill. Okay, the other one is gonna be plus, and button style is gonna be bordered prominent because it has a background color, and foreground style is gonna be black, and the accent color is gonna be that green to make it green background. Okay, it looks good. Now I'm gonna start creating this area. I'm gonna write a section and a scroll view of horizontal, and it's not gonna show any indicators. Okay, I can say an H stack, and the first element is gonna be button, action empty, and label of text, which is gonna say all. Okay, now I can make the list style plain before I forget. Good. Now I will remove the spacing from section in it. Top 000, everything's gonna be 0. Okay, I will give this a padding, and I will give the button styles in the H stack because I have more than one button, so this will apply to the every buttons. I'm gonna say that bordered, and buttons border shape is gonna be that capsule. Okay, and that foreground style is gonna be secondary. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna copy this and paste here, here, again, and again. This is gonna be unread. This is gonna be favorites. This is gonna be groups. And the last one is gonna be an image of system name of plus. Okay, but this border shape is gonna be circle, and this foreground style is gonna be something like white dot mix with green by 0.5. Yeah, okay, or maybe 4. Yeah, better, I think. And I will make them a little bit bolder. Let's say font weight, that's semi-bold, maybe. Yes, it's better now. And I'm gonna delete the dividers here by saying that list list row separator dot all, and edges, I'm sorry, dot hidden, and edges is gonna be dot all. Okay, it's hidden now. As you can see, it's, perfectly fine, I think. Now let's get started to create the chats. I'm gonna firstly create the archive area, and here I'm gonna say an h stack image. System name is gonna be archive box, but frame is gonna be width of 72 and height of something around 24 maybe. Okay, later you will understand why did I give a width of 72 and height of 24 instead of 24 to 24 or maybe 72 to 72. I will explain that later. Now I can say resizable and that scale to fit. Okay, maybe it's not 24, maybe it's 16. Yes, I think this is better. Now I will create the text of archive, sorry, and the font is gonna be maybe headline, I think. Yes, and I will give this a font weight of that semi-bold. Okay, and the foreground style is gonna be that secondary. Okay, everything looks perfect. Now I can create the other ones, the chats here. I'm gonna start by creating the Facebook chat. Let's say an H stack of alignment of top, and I'm gonna create the image of Facebook logo. I have the assets here imported, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp logo. I'm gonna copy these chats. Okay, now I can say resizable, scale to fill, and frame of width. I'm gonna say 64 or 72 and height of 72. I think 72 is maybe, no, it's good, I think. Okay, now I'm gonna create a V stack. Alignment is gonna be leading, and I'm gonna create the text to show the username. What? I mean, Facebook. It's gonna be font of title 3 and weight of semi-bold, I think. Yes, it looks good. I'm gonna give this a padding 2 by saying top 4. Yes, I think I'm completely copying that. I'm gonna create a new H stack here, if I forget. Alignment of top. You will see why I created an H stack here. And inside the V stack, I'm gonna create another H stack again. And This is gonna include an image of system name, check mark, and the text, hi. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna give this a foreground style of secondary. Okay, it's good, I think. I'm gonna give this a font of top body. Yes. And inside the H stack, outside the V stack, I'm gonna create another text to show the line, show the time. 9:40 p.m. Okay, I'm gonna put here a spacer, and I'm gonna take the padding from V stack to H stack. And yes, giving this a font of body and foreground style of secondary will do the job. And yes, everything looks good now. I can explain why did I give a width of 72 and height of 16 to the archive box image. Now you see the divider here is starting after the image, but if I did give this a 16 to 16, you see divider here starts after the archive box, and it doesn't fit perfectly well. You see this in this image, divider starts here and the image ends here. I had to make this 72 to keep the alignment true, but I had to give this a spacer, I think, spacing, I think, by 8, I maybe, or 16. Yes, 16 looks good. And now I have to make this width, maybe, I'm gonna give this an alignment and spacing on top and spacing of 16. Maybe it's not top, it's center. Center will be better, I think. And yes. Okay, now I'm gonna copy the H stack and paste here. And again, this is gonna be, oh no, what's happening? I think I did something wrong. And yes, I did. I'm gonna take this out of here. Is it good? Yes. And paste here 1 and here 2. This is gonna be, check an Instagram logo. Not this. I'm sorry. A WhatsApp logo. And I forgot to give the images the circle shape. I'm gonna say clip shape of circle and dot clipped. Copy, paste here, and paste here. Okay, now everything looks good. I'm gonna say Instagram logo here, and the name is Instagram. Hi, okay, and the name is WhatsApp. Okay, now I will create this note here. I can say in the section area, but oh, I'm sorry, I can come back here and to the section and create a footer. It's gonna be a label of what's the text. I can get it here, copy, paste here. I'm gonna delete this. No, I think not a label. I think a text with hashtag will be better. I can create an image of system name lock. I think I'm gonna check that. Okay, I have to delete this, and yes, lock dot fill, and the foreground style of secondary, and a text of this, but I'm gonna take this out of here, and foreground style is secondary. I'm gonna give this to hstack, that foreground style secondary. Okay, and the other text is gonna be, sorry, copy, delete this and paste here. Okay, this is gonna be foreground style of green, and it's gonna be bold. Let's say font weight, that's semi-bold, I think. Yes, foreground style secondary, and that font is gonna be footnote. Okay, it's looking good. I'm gonna say alignment, that center here, and I can delete the list separators, that hidden edges, all bottom. Okay, and I'm gonna put a spacer here and here. Okay, it's fully centered now, and the chat views are ready too. Now everything looks great. Let me build the app. And yes, this is the WhatsApp clone in SwiftUI. If you like my video, you can like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.